Hi there, it's More Engadget, and I'm here with Richard, who is the CPO, the Chief Product Officer of MiiPC. Hi, Richard. How's it going?
Thank you for having me today.
No worries. So let's talk about MiiPC. It's right here in front of us. Tell us a little bit about what's inside.
So this is our final mock design of MiiPC. We have two different flavors.
Right.
This is a metallic silver. The one you saw earlier is the white, glossy white color. Inside MiiPC, it's based on the Android operating system.
Right.
So we're using Marvell dual-core processor, Armada family. It provides up to 1 GB of system RAM. Inside, we have 4 GB of flash memory, but we can potentially put more.
Right.
As far as peripheral, you will see there we have two USB ports. Each port supports up to 500 milliamp current, so you can actually hook up a flash drive for additional storage. HDMI port to hook up to a computer monitor or a TV. Building Wi-Fi and building Bluetooth. Ethernet lane, DC, power cord, speaker, and mic.
Right, and you're using a 3 amp 5 volt power supply, right?
That's correct.
Pretty simple stuff. So you mentioned the processor and the RAM. Obviously, there is a whole bunch of other parts inside of this. You've got another board here in front of you. So this is what's inside, correct?
This is actually our second board of MiiPC. The first board is a little bit bigger. The second board, we try to fit into the smaller form factor.
Right.
As you can see, this is the heatsink underneath. That's our processor core. It's based on the same hardware engine as Google TV. So it's great for a multimedia playback. Yeah, so everything is within this small form factor.
And you're providing an SD card slot, which is in the front of the device.
That's right. So you can put the SD card in the front.
Right. So tell us a little bit what your goal is here with this product.
Yeah, so our goal with Kickstarter, well, first of all, we're very happy and excited that we reached our goal within 24 hours. Our goal is really reaching out to the fantastic Kickstarter community. We found this project a while back, and the concept was really, our founding members, we all have kids of different ages.
Right.
And, we're all very busy in Silicon Valley, so we're looking for ways to help them get online safely. So we think this is a great product, and we think other people will like it, other parents. So we think Kickstarter is a great validation for us.
What about the hacker community? I'm sure that they're going to be pretty excited about having an Android box.
Yeah. So coming from the hardware background myself, and also our founder Yang Sun, we're very much a hacker ourselves.
Tell me quickly again about what the pricing is for this.
So on Kickstarter, early bird special, I'm not sure if it has run out, it's for $89. But for regular price on Kickstarter, it's $99.
Right, and you bring your own keyboard, mouse, and monitor, just like the Mac Mini, right?
Right, that's right. So, we think there are a lot of families, they have a lot of computer, monitor laying around, a lot of spare keyboard and mouse. So they can easily connect to MiiPC and turn into a learning media station. So out of the box, as an admin, you will have a MiiPC account.
Right.
And you can set up how many other users, which could be kids, on this MiiPC device. So it is really designed to share multiple users within a family.
Got it.
Now, let me log into my account. So what happened in the process is MiiPC, it talks to MiiPC Guardian server. So this is how we can connect to the mobile apps. You can have a real-time access of what's going on this computer. You can provision new users, provision applications, take actions.
Right.
I think that's one part that's really different about MiiPC from many other solutions out there.
Right, and what we're seeing on the desktop here is actually not a standard Android-like desktop. You're kind of curating and controlling what's happening for the user on this desktop right now.
Yeah, so with MiiPC, we try to mimic this familiar desktop environment, so user can group their favorite applications, whether this is web applications, a website URL they created, or local Android applications. They can categorize into many different groups. I can also drag and drop. We have this what we call the docking area,
Yeah.
which is for fast access, frequently accessed application. So it's pretty easy to set up. So as a parent, I'm the admin of this device, so I can access to whatever application on the local Android. So whether it is the setting menu,
Right.
on this this is currently ice cream.
So you're bringing us into proper Android right now.
So I can basically customize the setting however we want, which provides the flexibility for parents.
Right.
Also, because this is a development platform, we don't have Google Play on this one, but we will have on the production.
Right.
I can disable Google Play for my kids,
Right.
but only allow Google Play for myself. So that really provides a lot of flexibility. So people can download, install on MiiPC. For the hackers out there, if you have APKs, there are many ways you can install it. Either you can go to, for example, websites like OneMarket.
Right.
You can email yourself an APK, or you can use the external slot USB drive to connect.
It's pretty much the standard ways.
That's right.
Just suspend reality for us briefly and bring us to the actual Android desktop, just to show that it's there. There we go. Awesome. So that's basically what you expect from Ice Cream Sandwich right now.
Yeah, so this is for the demo. So this is an app running, but for the actual commercialization,
It's not going to happen.
Yeah, it's not going to
Right.
happen. The kids will not have access to this page. So we have ways to lock down the system and provide way for the parents to access the root Android.
Got it. So now let's get back into the actual MiiPC desktop and show us perhaps. You obviously have under communication that you have Google Chrome, but what's more important is that you do have your own web browser that's been very optimized for this experience. Is that correct?
Yeah, we want to address online experience for kids different ages. So we have just a little bit bigger than toddlers. So those who needs more guidance. In this way, we have our own WebKit solution.
So this is your more complete browser.
More complete WebKit browser. You can see the URL at the top.
It's Engadget.
Forward. So you can use your mouse,
Right.
just like on your desktop, to scroll down to play content. And by the way, our browser supports built-in Flash support.
Right.
So one of the things with Android is a lot of platforms, they can only play mobile websites. But we have the ability to toggle between mobile and desktop. And desktop websites are typically websites that contain Flash content. So with
Right.
MiiPC, you can do both.
Show us maybe one of the videos from this morning's iPhone announcement on T-Mobile there. I think you scroll down a little ways. Oh yeah, just click on videos, that'll work too.
As I mentioned before, the platform, this current version, it's based on the same engine as Google TV.
Right.
So it's really optimized for multimedia.
Well, that's great. So to tie all this in, tell us a little bit maybe about that mobile app and the management solution that you provide. You have this mobile app that can run anywhere, right? You don't have to be on the same network.
Yes.
You can be anywhere. It uses a backend on the cloud that you have set up.
That's right. So the intent for the mobile app, as parents, I face this every day. I'm very busy at work. My kid goes home. He's supposed to finish stuff, homework before he plays Angry Bird, for example.
Right.
But how do I know I'm here, physically not at home?
Uh-huh.
So we have designed this mobile app basically tied to our MiiPC Guardian server, which monitor the local MiiPC activity. As you can see, there are a couple users on this MiiPC device.
Right.
So each device can contain multiple users. The other part is if you happen to have multiple MiiPC at home, for example, this MiiPC demo may be the one in your family room. This may be in the guest bedroom. This could be in the basement. We can track everything.
Right. So you can control multiple MiiPC and multiple users per MiiPC at this point.
So let's go through the scenario. So I'm
Sure.
at work.
Yeah.
My son Justin, he's 5-year-old.
Mm-hmm.
He just got home. I told him to do homework before he played Angry Bird, but of course he logs into MiiPC. I'm not gonna play Angry Bird, but maybe I'll play something else. And if you can see this mobile app, let me just refresh. Let me find out what Justin is doing. he just started playing the Fruit Ninja. So I got really mad. I need to have a talk with my son. So let me take an immediate action. I'm busy right now. I can't talk to him. But I want to make sure he's not doing that. So let me just lock him off. Okay, I just did. So not only I will close the app, I will also lock him out.
And there we go. Wow. And now I also see there's a third option, which is to disable login again, right?
Yeah, that's the last resort that we probably don't want to try. MiiPC is really supposed to encourage this sort of family discussion. So we provide tools and utilities for parents, empower them.
Great. Well, listen, Richard, that's been a really great demo. I really appreciate it. Thanks so much for showing us.
Thank you.
Cheers.
Cheers.